Okay, in this lecture, let me introduce the application model. The application model will create a session cluster per application and executes the application method on the cluster. It thus comes with the better resource isolation as the resources are only used by the jobs launched from a single method. First of all, let's talk about why we need the application model and deprecated the per job model since Flink 1.50 version. In all the other models, the application method is executed on the client side, as you can see. This process, including download the application dependency to locally, executing the method to extract the representation of the application that Flink's runtime can understand and ship the dependency and job graph to the cluster. This makes the client a heavy resource consumer, as it may need a big network bandwidth to download the dependency and ship binary to the cluster, and the CPU cycles to execute the method. This problem can be more pronounced when the client is shared across the user. Actually, this is the problems of the per job deploy model and the session deploy model. That's why, from the Flink 1.14 version, introduced the new deployed model, application model. The application model will launch a Flink cluster on YARN. Well, the my method of the application just gets executed on the job manager, as you can see, in YARN not client side. So we strongly recommend use the application deployed model for the job submit. Let me show you how to submit the job by application model on the YARN resource provider. Okay, we will execute the Flink command, but the sub command is a little bit different, which use the run application, not run anymore. Tap YARN application and specify the class following name. Okay, and specify the parallelism. Of course, this is optional. You can use the default value and detach the model and specify the archive package execution this command. As you can see, we successfully submit the Flink job by an application model. Right. Let me open the browser to open the resource manager web UI. As you can see, and here, click the application master to enter the job manager web UI. As you can see, this job is running now, but this moment the state is created. Give one more time. Okay, state is changed. It's updated to running. All right. This is about how to submit the Flink job by an application model, application deploy model on the Hadoop YARN resource provider. Okay. If we wanted to cancel or terminate the Flink job, we need to list it first and execution the cancel command or stop command. So as we mentioned earlier, the application model creates a runtime Flink cluster for each job. So a cluster and a Flink job have the same life cycle. In other words, when the job finished, the application runtime cluster will destroy the two, right? So let me try to list the running job at here. Flink list is the sum command and specify the type yarn application and specify the yarn application ID. Okay, open the browser again. Back. Oh, no need back. Copy here directly. Execution this command. Yes, we get the running Flink job and here. Now we should to execution the cancel command and specified job type yarn application and specify the yarn application ID. And don't forget the Flink job ID. Execution this one. Once the job finished, or once the job cancelled, the application cluster will be destroyed too. In other words, the yarn and job will be destroyed and killed. Refresh will redirect you to the history page, right? Click the applications. We can see the final state is executed and the state is finished. All right, this is about how to submit Flink job and by application model, application deployment model of the Hadoop yarn resource provider. See you next lecture.